If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. It's time to talk about micro jobs and getting paid to do small tasks online. Now this is a very popular subject on YouTube. There's tons of videos talking about how you can make money doing small tasks. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. All right, here's the thing about micro jobs online. All right, you're not going to make a lot of money doing micro jobs because a lot of videos are out there talking about how you can make, $50 a day, $100 a day, $500 a day doing micro jobs. And you should know that's pretty much clickbait. But here's the thing. It's one thing to have like clickbaity titles, but when the videos are completely off base, it's like, damn, somebody gotta say something. So two very popular sites when it comes to doing micro jobs is one is MTurk or Mechanical Turk, and then the other one is Clickworker. These are, these sites get talked about a lot. All right, and here's the truth. These sites are not reliable. They're not gonna earn you the money that you think you're gonna make or the money that you want to make, because obviously when you watch these videos that say earn $100 a day doing micro jobs or small tasks, think about that. Like, damn, 5 days a week, $100 a day, that's $500 a week, right? That's $2,000 a month doing easy, small, short task online. Like, obviously that's very, very appealing. But the truth is, once you get involved with sites like MTurk or Clickworker, you're gonna quickly realize that it will take you a lot of effort and a lot of time to get anywhere near $50 a day. You damn sure ain't getting $100 a day, but even to get $50, it's probably unrealistic with these types of jobs. Because keep in mind, a lot of these tasks, yes, they are very, very short. Things like, what's your opinion, or take a picture or something. Things that, take a second to do, but you're only going to get paid a few pennies for these tasks. So you got to ask yourself, all right, well, if I'm only getting 2 to 3 cents, how many tasks am I going to have to do to get $50 in a day? Like, you just think about that, right? But then, like I talked about in previous videos, even if you did have the willpower to do all these tasks at 3 cents a task, right? Here's the thing. Most of these sites, they don't have unlimited tasks to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, all of them, basically, they have limits because they have their own clients or whatever, and they put in orders. They're like, oh, I need 500 people to do this. I need 1,000 people to do this. I only need 200 people to do this. And once them jobs are completed, they're gone, right? Until the next order comes in. So keep that in mind as well when you're thinking about these micro gig sites and things like that. Like, you're not going to get paid a lot, and it's not an unlimited, amount of jobs to do, right? So that is why I'm warning people when you see these types of videos talking about, micro jobs and small tasks, because most people that are watching these videos are looking for ways to earn, $500 a week, $1,000 a week or whatever. And watching them types of videos or doing those types of jobs are not gonna make you that kind of money. Now I'm about to say something that you probably already heard a million times, but this is absolutely true. If you want to make that real money online that people talk about, the $1,000, $5,000 a week, you're gonna have to do those things that's gonna take some effort, right? Things like affiliate marketing, network marketing, even eBay, freelance work, things like that can make you a lot of money, but you're gonna have to take a lot more effort than just doing a short meaningless task, right, for a few pennies. Like, that's just real. Now, of course, when you get involved with things like affiliate marketing or drop shipping or network marketing or YouTube, right? It's not guaranteed money, right? That's where you literally are saying, hey, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm going to learn what I want to do and I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to make it work. Because just because you get into affiliate marketing, you're not going to get paid automatically just because you decide to become an affiliate. Just because you start a YouTube channel, you're not going to automatically getting checks just for no reason, right? Things that make the real money online are the things you're going to have to put some effort into. Now, the only other option is just getting a normal work from home job. These are the types of jobs where you got to pretty much clock in. You know what I'm saying? You have a set schedule and you get paid an hourly rate. Maybe you get $10 an hour, $15 or $20 an hour, whatever it is. But you have a set schedule. So, you know, you're just working from home. And a lot of people, they don't like that because that's why they trying to do the micro jobs, because they want to work when they want to work, right? So it's kind of like a catch-22 a little bit, because those micro jobs, yeah, you can do them whenever you want, but remember, you making piss. You know what I'm saying? And if you get a work from home job, you know, you got to be on a set schedule. Your income's going to be capped at a certain point. You're going to have a boss. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have coworkers virtually. So you need to keep that in mind. But the bottom line is, like, micro gigs, small tasks, all that, that's not going to make you any money. Now, if you do want to check out how I make money online every single month, you definitely want to click that first link in the description and see how I do it.